Because if it's an Ambazonian meeting, I want to pull out of it.
Una di ye? Na ni John Frundi that. It talk say, if na about Ambazonia, he go pull out. Because the life for need John Frundi for bringing for there. Make una hear for una self.
Can you clarify this? Am I addressing an Ambazonian meeting, or I am addressing a town hall meeting that is apolitical and looking for a way, a midway where all the warring factions or people disagreeing can come together for us to move forward? Because if it's an Ambazonian meeting, I want to pull out of it.
Una di ye? When you invite person, tell you the real reason why you invite it. Not lie. And then when the person don't can reach for public, you get for discovering a different game. A people where they stand for independence. A people where they talk say they want the independence of Ambazonia. They not fit even be honest with a guest where they talk say the invitee make it can address the Ambazonian people then. They not even fit for be honest. A people where they talk say they want the freedom of the people of Southern Cameroons.
Hello, my country people. So, this Nkunyam, where we see him on the screen right now, so, your name na Asu Lucas. Yes, now one of the biggest amber fools on the planet. It stay for Canada, and he been one of the biggest supporter of Ayabacho Lucas, the native doctor. All of them, Tapang Ivo, Ayabacho Lucas, I mean, all the bunch of idiots them, they go on their platforms, them, Eric Tato, Mark Baritao, they go for analyze where to where need John Frundi it talk for that SCBC TV station on Friday, on I think on Saturday. Why is that? Now because when a countryman, it make the video, it go viral. Yes, and with the use now their own words, with the use now their own videos, for tarnish Ambazonia. Oh yes, it continue. When I listen.
Why when I lie people there? Why when I get for lie for need John Frundi for bringing for a town hall? For toxic, they say the leadership for diaspora, it don't disappoint the Ambazonian people then. The leadership for diaspora don't fail the Ambazonian people then. You go can't bring that person again for host it for that same TV. Make it demoralize to our people them. Make it confused to our people them. And then when I talk, when I fight for independence.
Some are country people them. Now the key thing that we ask to Lucas, this is don't come. Said that town hall, where need John Frundi, a go in the lion's den, a go tell them in their faces, say, he day now for one Cameroon. He believes say Anglophone will be president for Cameroon. He no believe in war. Say those messages them, for tell the Amber Fools them, say they no get support from the Anglophone elites. They demoralize them. And that alone is a weapon of war. For demoralize the Amber Fools them, and then for galvanize our own fan base, when at the Black Legs, that is one of the key things the way we don't be so successful at. So, when I mass fire for continue for share them, I will give una small analysis about the actual video on Facebook. Una listen. So my country people, they make me show una small analysis. One, I know it will take too much of una time. So, una fit see am on a screen. Now the live broadcast this way they be make am for SCBC just 2 days ago. Now the original broadcast this way need John Frundi if we go on their live show. Now fit see am since 2 days. How many shares? Only 100 shares. It don't creep up to about 100 shares now. And only 8,600 views or so. But Now look comments, 829 comments, and all of those comments now very terrible comments because they no be like for here where Nii John they talk about. Now the reality that might contribute them. So when I see and say they no one share the message, they get very low views, but they get a lot of comments because Amber they be very angry. Say Nii John go for their so-called TV, and go give them a reality check. Now, make me a show una wait till the views it be like for the same show where una continue me take a rebroadcast them on our Country People platform. 1 second. Okay, my Country People them. So una fit see them on our screens. Now the rebroadcast this way will be rebroadcast them of that live broadcast where Nii John be doing for Ambazonia TV SCBC. So we'll go take the video now from SCBC, watch them, break them down into a summary of about 59 minutes, and then rebroadcast them for our platform some 6 hours later. Now, here is the result. When I see them today, we'll get more than 20,000 people that don't watch that video so far. Why? Now, because of this, because we are black legs, they be engaged, because we like the message when Nii John they talk about, and they share the message far and wide. And as they continue to share, it attract more and more people that they watch them. And our fans them, they love the message where they talk about. Now only 267 shares. I love this dynamic. I don't always tell when I say we must always endeavor for get more shares than actual comments. We need to get more shares than comments, and the result is we get more than 20,000 people that don't watch them. This is more than double because they won for the original video where they record them for Amber TV, SCBC. It never even reached half. It never even reached 10,000 views. And this was video they on now less than 6 hours after their own go live where we publish our own, and yet we don't get more than double the number of views. When I also see them for here, say it is so this particular video, it don't reach more than 49,000 people them, but now 20,000 people, they don't actually click on the video, they watch them. Right, my Country People them. So when I see the dynamic, where they happen, we are winning, and we are winning fatly, my Country People them. So ma show una another thing for then explain for una, elaborate for una where it actually happen. If we scroll up to the news where it come out this morning for Cameroon, I feel look now news this way it come out on the ground for Cameroon this morning. Now the headlines in this for newspaper then for Cameroon. When I feel see it talk for say Pa Nii John Frundi, it talks away to the Amber Fools them. It say you are not more Anglophone than others. So now this newspaper inside Cameroon now, they follow now our lead. Yes, because many of the people them way they know, even recognize say Nii John be there for this Amber TV talk. Now because say we make the video it go viral. Now we get news articles them on the front line. On the front page. The headlines on the front page of newspapers them inside Cameroon, they talk now about where Nii John Frundi it talk to the Amber Fools. And at the end of the day, Nii John it don't help for amplify one message of oneness, unity. Cameroon is one and indivisible. Nii John don't help whether you like it or you don't like it one way or the other. It don't help we for deliver our message on an international scale. Wait, where we now the black legs they do now say wait, we take that message now, we amplify them, we spray them out there, make all man hear what way it talk about, and it be very important for we for continue for the spread any message where we see them where it support Cameroonianness, one and indivisible Cameroon, where it support unity, where it support peace and tranquility for the Anglophone zone. We'll get to continue for March Fire for share any of those kind of message. Meanwhile, any message where we see them on Facebook or anywhere, whether not for your WhatsApp group, any person where they talk anything where they bring division, any person where they talk anything where they cause harm, where they cause pain to our Country People them, you get a responsibility for challenge those kind of ideas them, for put them in their position, for tell them say what you do it be wrong. So we must match fire for continue for the share. If nobody say we black legs them, we will gather ourselves together. We can share this video more than 400 and how many times this video we share more than 460 times. If we not gather ourselves, we represent ourselves, we share this video that many times, enough will go viral. More than 20,000 people they know for Siam, and all the Amber Fools them like Asu Lucas, Mark Barretta, Tapang Ivo, Eric Tato, and the rest. They be forced for go now on all their own platforms, them, all their own social media, talking nonsense where they go talk for them. They go talk about it. Ni John Frundi. Why is that? Because we, the country people, will make them a go viral. Now we now for Facebook, we dictate what we talk about. Amber Fools, if you want to talk about anything in the world, we dictate the headlines. Now we dictate the front pages of newspapers inside Cameroon, and on Facebook now we Black Legs, we have the upper hand. Now we decide for Facebook which way we talk about. We need to just go look at them, and then if you remember for 2016, 2017, even 2018. Now Amber Fools, they will bomb lies them. Now they will get monopoly for Facebook. Now they will talk about whatever they want to talk about. Even for 2018-19, time when we Black Legs will enter this thing for fight them back, we'll be the follow Amber Fools them. They will bomb some lie, and then we'll go to scratch our head. We'll think about how we can debunk that lie. That phase it don't pass. The tables have turned. For just tell you how successful we, the Black Legs, will don't be for our Black Legism. Now we dictate the discourse on social media. Now we Black Legs, they decide whether we could talk about Ni John Frundi or not. Now we decide whether we could talk about any topic or not. Now we decide. Amber Fools, if you want to talk about anything, now we set the agenda on social media, what we talk about. Now we make anything we want make it go viral. Now we make it go viral. And this is the secret. You share. My country them. Una continue for match fire for the share. Una make sure say anything where una see am where it support and it promote oneness, it promote Cameroonianness. Una must share them. Share them at least 5 times before you can comment. After you comment, you go share them at least 5 times again. Enter inside all the groups the way they talk about Cameroon. Whether na Francophone one or whether na one for Ambazonia, if they talk about Cameroon, enter inside that group. Share you for they like spy. When we will broadcast or any other Black Leg broadcast something, share them inside that group. And if you not believe we how effective what Black Legism may be, if you not believe me, ask Eric Tato.
Listen, whether or not you accept Makonjipo is a force to reckon with. Me, I agree. He's an enemy that is strong. So you people, do not bother yourselves about my country people. He cannot harm the revolution because he has zero credibility. Who is going to quote him? He has zero value in public opinion. I mean, in concrete public opinion, zero. Imagine that BBC wants to make a news item says that according to my country people. Who is that? My country people is a comic relief session of the revolution. No, I'm asking you people, you think it's correct? Lesson number 1, my country people talks about it. Listen, whether or not you accept my country people is a force to reckon with. Me, I agree. He's an enemy that is strong. Listen, whether or not you accept my country people is a force to reckon with.
My country
Me, I
people
agree.
them.
He's an
My
enemy
country
that is
people
strong.
them. I beg, make I
Listen,
go chop
whether
my
or not you
15
accept
million
my country people is a
francs
force to reckon with.
every
Me, I
month.
agree. He's
Oh,
an enemy
yeah.
that is strong.